Medline's VAPrevent products are designed to help provide easy-to-use and standardized oral care, especially for ventilated patients. Kits are available with suction swabs or with toothbrushes, depending on the patient's needs. To provide oral care with a Medline VAPrevent kit, pull back the cover from the tray to access the components. Tear open the mouth rinse and pour into the designated medicine cup, located in the tray. Mouth rinse determined by hospital protocol can also be used. Connect the toothbrush or the swab to the suction tubing. Saturate the head of the suction tool with the mouth rinse. First, inspect the oral cavity, and then brush the teeth, cheeks, tongue, and gums. The bristles of the toothbrush are designed to be soft enough for patients with sensitive mouths. Place your thumb over the suction valve to provide suction power and to help remove secretions from the mouth. Finally, tear open the mouth moisturizer gel and apply to the den tip. You can now apply the mouth moisturizer to the lips and gums. Medline offers a full line of products to assist with patients' oral care needs. For more information about VAPrevent or other Medline products, please contact your sales representative or visit our website at medline.eu.